Melbourne's motorists are facing severe traffic disruptions as the Domain and Burnley Tunnels, along with the Westgate Bridge, undergo major roadworks over the coming weeks. The essential works could cause Carmageddon for drivers, with diversions set to compound holiday motoring woes.
Melbourne's arterial road system had significant essential maintenance work being done on the tunnels and the Westgate Bridge. Vicroads arranged for Austraffic to actually set up a series of Bluetooth sensors to contribute to travel time information on both the core route that was being affected and the redistributed network, so that they could actually advise the motoring public of travel times for their alternate selection to minimise the disruption. When motorists don't have good information, they tend to actually select an alternate route that actually could either be an unnecessary delay to them and or could create congestion in a place that doesn't need to be congested.
When we provide information, people are a lot more at ease. We're absolutely confident because the week that we had it in place, we were able to compare that travel time that was being given to us via our own travel time estimates along the route by driving them, and also comparing them to the travel time information that we have in our website via third parties.
Austraffic has spent the last 2 years actually trialling a range of Bluetooth technologies and actually has chosen to associate itself with Blip systems out of Denmark. The Blip system actually avails us high repeatability and high levels of accuracy with a great sample rate, so that when we have projects like this recent tunnel closure, we actually can provide very useful travel time information to in this case, Vicroads. We actually locate a series of Bluetooth loggers along the freeway corridor and the arterial system. We actually pick up their MAC address from Bluetooth devices. We actually can match it between each of the logger sites, from which we produce the travel times. Here at Austraffic, we take the Privacy Act very seriously. We worked with the Privacy Commissioner to produce a set of procedures that ensure that we were compliant with all of our obligations. All of these systems need to be calibrated and validated, and that's where Austraffic's role and relationship and what we bring to this Bluetooth product is the capacity to actually calibrate and know when and when not to use the technology. Traffic engineers and transport planners need access to accurate and reliable information to help them manage their decisions, either for future works and or to assess those that they've currently got underway.
I know a number of project managers have already spoken to me about potentially using the same approach with the Bluetooth sensors on other roadworks, particularly the M80 ring road, where we've already been working on that for about 4 years. There's probably another 5 years to go. But also more specifically, some of our more day-to-day works like traffic signal operation. We've got 3,500 traffic signals in Melbourne, and we need to review their operation on a regular basis. We probably don't get to them as often as we'd like to, but from now on, when we do a review of a route involving say 10 to 15 or 20 sets of signals, what we think we might do is we might deploy the Bluetooth sensors a week or two before we do ameliorative work or mitigating works, then install the mitigating works and then do the testing again for what the travel time is, so we compare whether or not we've made a difference to the network.
The Bluetooth data and its production of a lot of information is a very viable way to move forward with quality information at a very affordable price.